Hi, welcome to TS 24/7. Today we are going to discuss about CSS3 animations. This animation will allow us to animate the HTML element without using JavaScript and Flash. And now we'll see what are the animations we are having. The animation lets an element change from one style to the another style. And to use CS3 animations, there are some keyframes by using which we can animate an HTML element. Now we'll see what are the keyframes we are having. The keyframes hold what styles the element will have at a certain times. Means here the keyframes will hold what styles the element should have at certain times. Now we'll discuss about an example so that we can understand about CSS3 animations easily. Now consider an example. Open your notepad, open the HTML tag, open the head part. Now take one style tag in which we will be giving all the styles, and open div class, and in which the width of the element is 400 pixels and the height is of 200 pixels. Here I am taking background which is yellow color or red color. We can take any color to the background. I am taking red color as a background. Here I am giving WebKit which is a browser support. Here I am taking animation name. The animation name I am taking as example. Here I am taking another WebKit which represents the duration of the animation. The duration of the animation is of 4 seconds. And I am providing standard syntax for the animation. Animation name is example and the animation duration is 4 seconds. The duration of the animation is 4 seconds, and I'm taking keyframes with the WebKit. This WebKit is about browser support. I'm taking keyframes. This is an name of the animation. From the background color is of red color, and close the from and open the tool. Here the background color is yellow. Here this means the animation starts from red color and it is slowly transferring to the yellow color. This is about animation. And now we'll take standard syntax for keyframes. And this is the name of the animation, and from background, the background color is red, and close that and open to the background color is yellow. And here close style tag. and close head and open the body and take one div to which the animation will be applied. Here we can give nothing to the div, or we can take any text. Now close the body, close the HTML. Now save this file with .html extension. Run this file with the browser. Yeah, here we got the output, an element with 400 pixels width and 200 pixels height, and the color is transferring from red to the yellow. This is one type of animation we have applied to the element. This is our output. Okay, this is about CSS3 animations. The animation will be we can animate an HTML element without using JavaScript, and by using keyframes will plays a major role in the animation. Using keyframes we can animate an HTML element. So this is about animations. Thank you.